Daniela, welcome to my channel. So as this is one of my first videos, I'm just going to tell you what this channel is about. So almost all my videos are going to be about dancing. So like I'm going to show you different dances, TikTok dances, because TikTok is awesome and there are a lot of cool dances. So yeah, I guess you know what I'm talking about. So today I'm gonna do like a step-by-step tutorial of a very popular TikTok dance, which is the Say So dance. And there's a full version, but I'm gonna show you the most popular part because the full version is about 1 minute and this part is only 15 seconds, and I guess you all know it if you like TikTok and if you are watching TikTok all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna show it to you and you're gonna see that it's kind of easy. So let's start by the part in which she says, "Why don't you say so?" Basically, we're gonna do this, and it's very easy. Our hands are gonna be in this position as if we were saying, I don't know, like what? And our legs are gonna do this. So how do we do this? First of all, this leg is just standing, and this leg is bent, and then we're just gonna change the position of our legs. So we're just gonna stand like this and change the position. That's it. Some people just do like, I don't know, like different things, but I like to do this because everyone does this dance differently in most TikTok dances. Like for example, the lottery one, the renegade one, everyone does it differently. So you can do this, like I'm showing you, you can do like just this, however you like it, but I prefer to do this. So we're gonna do "Why don't you say so?" And now I'm gonna come closer to you so that you can see. So first of all, after that we're gonna cross our arms, do this movement, do this, and this. So I'm just gonna show it to you again. Cross our arms, put them to our sides, do this movement and this. So after we cross our arms, what is happening is that our arms are going up, but with our hands we're doing like this movement, like as if we were warming up. You know, when you warm up you sometimes do this. It's basically the same. So as you're going up you do this with both hands, and now you're gonna put one arm at your side, and with the other one you're gonna do this. So it's like we're doing a fist, but it's not like a fist, but your hand is not straight. It's like kind of like this, and you're gonna like hit your head, and it sounds weird, but like they do it in many dances. So what we're doing, cross our arms up and this. And this is for the hands. We're also gonna do our legs now. So it's kind of fast. It's gonna be like this. And if you wanna do it, you can like raise only one arm, but usually people do it like this. But this part, you only do it with one hand because like this is gonna be like weird. So yeah, with one hand, but this part with both. So let's start from the beginning only with our hands. Well, this part only with our hands. So we do "Why don't you say so?" Didn't need to know it. And for the legs, it's also kind of easy. So we do "Why don't you say so?" And for this part, we're going to do this. Didn't need to know it. And basically for this part, this is the most, like one of the most difficult parts, but it's very easy. So we're gonna start like this. When our arms are crossed, we're just gonna stand on one leg, and the other leg is gonna be like up in the air. It's bent. And for this part, like if you watch, if you look at it, it looks like we're going a little bit to the side, and we're actually going to the side a little bit. So to do that, we have to put one leg on the floor, and the other leg like is standing normally. We move it a little bit, like we twist it like this. So it looks kind of like this. So yeah, just try that a couple of times and it's gonna be easy then for you. And after this, it's didn't for this part, we're just gonna lift this leg a little bit and put it to our side like this. So it's like didn't need. And for this part, we're just gonna bounce 2 times because we hit our head 2 times. So we do like didn't need to know it. And as we're doing it 2 times, we just like bounce when we are hitting our head. I know it sounds weird, but yeah. So we're doing didn't need to know it. You can lift it, you can lift this head. In this part you can like not lift it. Like some people do like this, and some people do like this. So yeah, after this, what we're gonna do is a side punch. And I'm just gonna show it to you. So it's kind of like you have to bend one arm in front of you and do a side punch. So this leg goes like this. You put all of your weight on this leg. And first of all, your arm is like behind you and it's bent. And then you just do a punch, like you straighten it and go all the way up to here. So it's like my punch, and then we're gonna click. So like we have to do it very fast. So we have to punch and click. We have to return to our position, like we're doing this, right? Our weight is only on this leg. Then we have to put our weight on both legs. So it's like this, you punch and then click. So let's do it from the beginning. So it's why don't you say so? Didn't need to know it. Like this, and you click. Let's do it one more time from the beginning. Let's do it a little faster because this is kind of fast, so we have to do we have to do it very fast. So the why don't you say so is the slowest part, so you can like think the dance at the beginning, and then you have to do it very quick. So we'll start from the why don't you say so? Didn't need to know it. Punch, click. So let's do it one more time and let's keep on. Why don't you say so? Didn't need to know it. Punches and click. Wow, that sounded cool. So we're doing this, and then we're gonna do like this rolling thingy, this rolling movement. And for that, we're gonna click right, and this leg, our left leg, is going to the side, and slowly we're gonna put our weight on this leg. We're gonna move it from this leg to this leg. It's kind of like this. And our hands are doing this movement. It's kind of easy. Some people do it like this, some people do it like this. But in this dance, almost everybody does it like this, like facing you. So yeah. So after the click, we're gonna do this. And we're gonna put our weight on this leg at the very end. So this leg is obviously gonna be bent because it's gonna look very weird if we don't bend it. So it's gonna be like this. And while we're doing this, we do kind of like a wave. So we start from our head and we end here. So it's like this. And it's a very slow part. So you have to do it slowly, but your body has to keep moving. So let's do it from the punch part. So we're gonna punch, click, and roll like this. So as I'm telling you, it's very slow. And after this, what we're gonna do, it says you have to keep me focused. So for that, you have to keep me focused. So we're gonna start like this, like our hands are our fingers are together. We're gonna put them close to ourselves, and then we're doing this. So we're just straightening them, and our body is gonna move a little bit forward like this, and it's gonna be like this, and then like this. So let's do it from the very beginning. So let's see, from the why don't you say so part. So let's go. Why don't you say so? Didn't need to know it. Punch, step to roll it. We're gonna do it very slow, and then you have to keep it focused. And after this, like it says, why don't you say so again? And here you wanna do whatever you wanna do. Like you can do I, do like why don't you say so. Like I just move a little bit like this and walk away. You can do whatever you want. You can do this again. You can do whatever you want. So after that, it's like, do whatever you want. But it's cool if for one moment you have your arms like this, like at the very beginning. So at the end, I just do, why don't you say so, and then just walk away. So let's do it from the very beginning. Why don't you say so? Didn't need to know it. Punch, click, roll, focused, and then why don't you say so, or whatever you're gonna do. Let's do it one more time, but a little bit faster. So, why don't you say so? Didn't need to know it. Side punch, click, roll, focused. Why don't you say so, and do whatever you want. And guys, that was all of the dance. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you like it. And I hope to see you soon. Bye!